It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Tuesday, the 29th of July. I'm James Spann. The calendar says July. The weather feels more like September. Hey, record lows are likely tomorrow morning. Feels good. Here's a look at the water vapor satellite view across the nation this morning. Nice long wave upper trough over the east. That's the delivery mechanism for the cool air. Off in the west, we have a ridge and monsoon moisture coming up into the southwest United States. Hey, I spy a 59 on that map. Do you? It's at Fort Payne up into Cobb County. We've also got 59 reported at Valley Head and Russellville. Most spots in the low and mid-60s, but tomorrow morning a number of places will see upper 50s, and record lows are likely for the 30th of July. And around the nation, cool air covers so many places. Checked up in Michigan, Ann Arbor, Michigan, 44 this morning. They are wearing jackets on the 29th of July. Off to the west, flash flood watches with the monsoon moisture for parts of Colorado and New Mexico, over into Texas and Oklahoma and Kansas. Here's the overall rain for the next 5 days. This is valid through Sunday morning at 7 o'clock local time, hinting about 1/2 inch of rain here. Moisture will come back late this weekend over the weekend. And hey, a little action in the tropics, a well-defined tropical wave in the Atlantic between the coast of Africa and the Lesser Antilles. The guys at NHC pegged this at a 70% chance of becoming a tropical depression over the next 48 hours. There's a look at the first visible daylight satellite view this morning. Thing is centered out there around 38 west and 9 north. It's a low latitude system, and traditionally those are problematic when they're that low in latitude, but again, the models want to curve this northward. You can see it's going to skirt the Leeward Islands, probably passing north to Puerto Rico, and this makes good sense with a broad trough, a mean trough over the eastern U.S. There's a look at the ensembles, and almost all the members want to recurve that. Not all of them, but most of them, and we believe that is the right solution. But this more than likely becomes Tropical Storm and Hurricane Bertha. And we'll check and see what the deterministic GFS is doing here. This is the OZ run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time at 500 millibars. And there's your eastern trough, western ridge. And just beautiful. Sunny, low humidity, highs in the middle 80s today. In fact, the NAM is showing a high of only 83 with bright sunshine. And then tonight it's going to be cool. This is tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. off the high-res NAM, and it's got 56 up in Fort Payne and Gadsden, 58 for Anniston. We got 62 at Birmingham. We'll forecast, I think, we're using 59 now as the average low for the region. Of course, your number might vary, and it should be a little warmer on the western side of the state, but whatever, it's just going to be great. We'll see a lot of new records. In the day, same deal. Sunny, low humidity with mid-80s. Thursday, moisture begins to creep back in here. We have seen various versions of when the chance of rain will come back. This looks relatively dry. I think we better mention at least the chance of a shower by Thursday afternoon, although much of the day should be dry. And again, I think we'll be in the mid-80s. And this is Friday. The moisture is deeper, and the chance of rain is higher. A lot of clouds around, good chance of showers and storms. Highs probably low 80s because of the clouds and rain on the first day of August, typically the peak of the summer heat right in through here. And we'll take that. But about the weekend, you ask. Well, we've still got a trough over the eastern U.S., and that means temperature should be below average, and with moisture in place, that means at least a chance of scattered showers and storms. No all-day rain, but it should rain at times. Highs in the mid-80s, and the same thing on Sunday. Pretty good little moisture pool. So over the weekend, we'll dodge a few showers and storms. We could use the rain. Birmingham has a rain deficiency of about 3.5 inches for the year. And Monday of next week, same thing, moisture in place, so at least a chance of scattered showers and storms. Highs most likely in the upper 80s. And a week from today, this is Tuesday, August 5th. The trough has kind of vanished, but still the moisture stays in place, so a chance of showers and storms. Highs probably creeping back up toward 90 with the higher heights. And yes, off to the west, there's our tropical system. That should be Bertha, either a tropical storm or a hurricane. And the GFS has it east of the Bahamas. This is August 8th, the end of next week, and it's got the system recurving well east of the Outer Banks. And we believe that is the correct solution, although it's still a long way out and this could change. Speaking of a long way out, this is the end of the forecast period, August 13th. This is suggesting there could be a ridging on the west and east coast with broad troughing up there in the northern plains with that negative height anomaly. But for us, pretty typical summer stuff, warm, muggy, scattered showers and storms. Heat levels not too bad. Here's the temperature forecast coming off the ensemble. You can see, again, on an average basis, temperatures look below average through mid-August. And we will take that. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.